Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
In the realm of Islamic teachings, the journey of Hajj holds profound significance. It is a spiritual pilgrimage that millions undertake each year, seeking the blessings of Allah and engaging in profound introspection. Today, we delve into the philosophy of Hajj as narrated by the fourth Imam, Ali ibn al-Hussein, to his renowned companion, Shibli. The Imam shared his profound wisdom, shedding light on the philosophy behind this sacred pilgrimage and offering insight into the deeper meaning and significance of Hajj. Imam Sajjad mentioned that the pilgrimage of Hajj is not merely a physical journey to the Holy Kaaba, it is a transformative voyage of the soul. The outward rituals are but a reflection of the inner journey towards self-realization, piety, and spiritual growth. The Imam began to explain the significance of the rituals, using them as metaphors for the stages of the human soul's ascent towards its Creator. Each ritual of Hajj embodies a spiritual lesson, guiding the pilgrim towards a higher state of consciousness and a deeper connection with Allah. The circumambulation of the Kaaba symbolizes the eternal rotation of the heavenly bodies and reminds us of the cyclical nature of life and our submission to the divine will. Walking between Safa and Marwa signifies the unwavering faith and perseverance of Hazrat Hajar, the wife of Prophet Ibrahim. It reminds us that in our journey through life, we may encounter hardships and challenges, but by relying on Allah's guidance and never losing hope, we can overcome any obstacle that stands in our way. Arafat is a reminder of the Day of Judgment, a day when people from all walks of life come together, equal in their state of humility, reflecting upon their deeds and seeking repentance. It serves as a powerful reminder of the transient nature of this worldly life and the ultimate reality of the hereafter. When you pelt the Jamarat, it signifies that you are pelting your enemy, Iblis, and by completing this precious Hajj, you have disobeyed him. By shaving your head, you show that you have cleansed yourself from all filth and from all the injustice of the children of Adam. You have purified yourself from sins just like a newborn baby. Slaughtering your hadiyah signifies that you have the intention to cut the artery of greed by holding fast to the reality of piety. You are following the tradition of Prophet Ibrahim when he was prepared to slaughter his son, the fruit of his heart, through which he established the sunnah of gaining nearness to Almighty Allah for those who came after him. This is how Imam Sajjad beautifully explained the deeper meaning and philosophy of Hajj for the generations to come.